Rapigo Driver Delivery Driver Business Guide. Loading Basics. Effective loading of high-top vans to maximize earnings. Loading tips for high-top cargo vans. In this instructional video, we look at the dimensions and weight capacity of what are called high-top cargo vans. Advantages of a high-top cargo van include loading from both the rear and side of the vehicle, making it possible to add material from the side when unable to access through the rear doors. Several manufactured models exist with weight capacities ranging from 2,500 to 4,600 pounds. Expedite cargo vans typically carry loads of 2,000 to 3,000 pounds. For expedite cargo vans, the size of the load is important. A skid with the shipment attached must fit through the width of the rear loading doors. Once through the door opening, it must fit between the wheel wells. To be safe, the skid plus material should not exceed 50 inches wide. The distance from the back of the driver's seat to the rear loading doors is important for material length capacity. The standard distance behind the seats for expedite shipments is 12 feet, or 144 inches. 3 standard skids, 48 by 48 inches and up to 60 inches high, may be easily loaded in most large capacity high-top cargo vans. Shipments come in all shapes and sizes. How material is loaded can lower freight costs. A box or pallet rotated often allows more pieces to fit into the load area. As well, a piece 30 inches long, 30 inches wide, but 79 inches high when loaded upright will not fit into a high-top cargo van. On its side, it will fit and allow it to be transported in a cargo van rather than incur higher costs in a larger truck. Dispatch may not know at the time of booking that pieces may be rotated, laid down, or stacked to greatly reduce transportation costs. Ask the shipper to advise on contents remaining upright and notify dispatch of changes. Loading a high-top cargo van may be by hand bomb or forklift. Parcels and long pieces may be loaded to fill a space 4 feet wide, 12 feet long, and up to 60 inches in height. That relates to 3 standard pallets 48 by 48 inches, each with a height of 60 inches. Parcels and material not attached to a skid require further methods to secure the load. Note the rear doors on a high-top cargo van open to the sides are called barn door opening. This allows for ease of loading and entry. Some doors may rotate out even further to allow additional loading ease. Amazon and Flex drivers utilizing high-top vans have routes that require fast loading and delivery to earn the most for their time. Taking the time to organize parcels and envelopes prior to beginning the route will vastly improve delivery times. Sign up for Rapigo Driver newsletter to stay on top of the changes that improve earnings for all delivery drivers. Loading of a high-top cargo van by a forklift may require operator and driver to coordinate their efforts. Safety is paramount. Drivers should stand clear of the loading zone to allow the forklift operator to keep their full attention on positioning the load safely on the van floor. Things change. As a delivery driver, communication with dispatch is of utmost importance. If the material being loaded does not agree with the description given by dispatch, stop and communicate with dispatch immediately. To avoid unexpected charges to the client, if the shipment dimensions, weight, or timing for pickup change after confirming pickup request, notify your dispatch immediately. Here are your outtakes. High-top cargo vans have unique capacities favorable to expedite shipments of most materials. When accepting a shipment request for pickup, the important dimensions to consider are length, width, and height in addition to the total weight. Maximum safe dimensions and weight capacity for high-top cargo vans are length of 144 inches, width of 50 inches, and height of 60 inches, with a weight capacity of 4,600 pounds. For more tips to earn more, sign up for our newsletter at rapigodriver.com and stop by our Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram.